Hi guys, how are you guys doing today? Anyways, if you guys don't know, my name is Multiplesofnico and I'm actually doing the Subway cheesy garlic bread. You know, it's like the deal and whatnot. I am full on trying to discreetly pose. But here's the baby. I had did this a while ago and I had deleted the upload thinking it was the actual upload, but of course, when I do multiple uploads, I have to mess up, didn't I? So, lesson learned, honestly. So yeah, I just got it in its purest form this time, and hopefully I will like it better than when I had it last time. Let's see. Because last time I tried it, it wasn't really the best that it could be. So, oh my jaw. Let's just try it. Hmm. I'm not tasting the garlic. I'm not at all. Have a bite. It's like very subtle. Uh-oh. People. I will have some salsa and chips, like guac on the side, because I wanted it. And my roommate's cat's in here. She wouldn't leave, so I was like, oh well. I love the cats, but I'm like, why am I not like puffing up like I used to? Have some more. Mmm. Well, I got no veggies, no extra stuff, 'cause I think that's what ruined my sandwich last time. I got it in its most purest form ever. And also she was kind of like lemonade. She was kind of busy, so yeah. Mm. But the reason why I'm dressed up today because I was supposed to go to an interview. Not really an interview, but to submit my paperwork. And it was busy today. I'm looking for like a part-time job, not a full-time job. Because girl can't do 2 full-time jobs anymore. I can't. I used to do 3. No lie. I used to do 3, but... 3, but, you know... I was like younger, and I had nothing to do, and I was really not stressed out. Have some more. Let's do this for some now. I don't know. But, I person who really loves garlic bread and loves garlic. This ain't doing it for me, honestly. Ooh, look at that. Lack of choice between the Italian or the meatballs. I chose the meatballs so it was cheaper. Mm. But I really like how the bread's like perfectly crunchy, unlike last time. Mm. It's really good. Like for me, I love intense like flavors, and I'm not a big sandwich person, so I'm just kind of like, ugh, I gotta eat a sandwich. But because I was gonna do another McDonald's mukbang, I was like, girl, you already have so many on this channel. I was gonna do the Burger King XL burgers. So I really want Burger King, but I was like, girl, next time when you get paid. But I am low-key trying to stop like eating out. Cause like I just seen like my check like disappear overnight by just eating out. Salsa and chips. And I'm just kinda like, I'm one. And I wanna save my money. So eventually I can, get my own place and, get stuff I really want. So food would have to wait, but it won't affect my mukbangs. Just when you have a debit card, you keep swiping it, you don't realize how much you have left in your card till you check it. Okay. Ew. Are you ready to go out? This is not my cat. This is my neighbor's cat. Okay. She's like very skittish of me still, even though I've been here for like a month. Not sure why. But I thought all animals love me. It's so nice outside today. It's really nice. Like that's one of the main reasons why I didn't like wait. I just I wanted to get out and enjoy the sun. Because I work third shift and I don't have the opportunity to enjoy the sun. I might do, but I'm not sure about nighttime. And I might be by myself at work tonight. So that'll be interesting. It's probably a test to see, if I can do the job on my own. And if I can, they'll probably let me be at a building by myself, hopefully. I'm probably gonna get checked on more because I'm by myself. But I could literally handle it last night. So my coworker is tired or something happened to his I don't know, he needed to jump off, but it wouldn't really, do it off his little device, but when someone came to jump him off, it kind of start working again. I'm a big guacamole and chips kind of girl, and with salsa, it's the best. But I know I kill chips so easily, and I don't even realize until it's gone. I'm like, wow. So I killed 2 big ass bags of hot Cheetos, the family size, back to back. And I had the worst stomach ache ever. Oh, it's on my shirt. I didn't know. Sorry. I think that's from the guac, so. But there she is again. Staring. into my soul. Like, I would love to have a cat as a pet, but I don't know if I can, you know. Because they're not in my room all the time, only when I had a door open. Because they're so used to, like, being in here. So they were here first. But I'm going to come try that job again later on. Like tomorrow. And see what happens. I'm just unsure of, like, you know, if they'll take me, because I am, like, with another security company that they work with. So I was like, But I also saw my ex last night. Like, it was crazy because I was just going to work like normal. And I happened to see a familiar figure like right across the road. And I was like, oh Lord. He already knows my car very well because he used to drive it all the time. So, like, when I was trying to be, like, nonchalant, he kind of, like, looked at the car and was, like, kind of, like, bending down, trying to see who was in the car and whatnot. And he was squinting, so that tells me he wasn't wearing his glasses. So, hopefully, I was just a blur. But my car makes a certain sound, too, so it's very noticeable. I'm kind of glad he didn't walk across the street to try to get in the car. So I'm like, Because I was on the way to work. I'm thinking either he got off work or met somebody or got dropped off. I don't know. I was trying to be nosy. But it's kind of weird how we keep, like, almost running into each other. It's weird to me because I'm trying my best to, like, avoid him. And every time I seem like I'm good or, like, I'm feeling like the best or I feel like I'm moving forward in life, like, he just happens to pop up. So I'm just kind of like, I mean, I have no problem with him. I just didn't like how things happen. And I wish he would have communicated more as an adult. Because we're both, like, grown as adults. Even though he's, like, 2 years younger than me, you know. But I just don't like the way he just, like, upped and left. What are you doing? Hold on, let me let this cat out. Let me let you out. I was trying to get you out earlier. You didn't want to. But, like I said, I didn't like the way he just, like, left. I'm so mad at that. Like, I deserve an apology. And I'm not sure if we're actually gonna, like, date again because of that thing. Cause I can't, like, really trust him, you know? And I figure without trust, there's, like, no relationship, you know? So, he gotta make some big boy moves in order to, like, me actually consider it over again, you know? So, yeah. It's just really, you know, hard for me because I still have feelings, but I'm just kind of like, girl, you deserve so much better. Like, somebody who's going to treat you actually the way you deserve to be treated, you know? And, like, I want to settle down, actually, and, like, start a family, and, you know, just, like, reach all these goals in my life that I want, And I'm reaching every goal that I want in life, except for like one thing, and that's like, you know, having a significant other who actually gives a damn about me, you know? And like someone who has like their stuff together and someone who don't have to really worry about that much, you know? And I feel like all my exes so far haven't really proved or really stood up to my standards. And really, I'm really simple, honestly. Like, I just want you to be loyal, consistent, be stable, mentally, emotionally, financially, and just like not like have a, I don't know, like, how do I say it? Not really, I don't say invasive, but like not have like, I don't know how to say it, but it's like not have that like their family be like super involved into the relationship. Like, if we're going to be get married and we're actually getting married like this year, yeah, I understand that. Like, they want us to be closer, but like I had like very bad experiences because like first it will be like, yeah, 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 oh my god, I love you, you're great for my son, da da da, and then like it'll go down the road and like they will say things and I'll try to be respectful and I'm like, dude, why aren't you standing up for me? He's like, it's my mama. I'm just kind of like, bro, like, even though that's your mom, like, she's wrong. You don't know how the way she treats me, so I don't know, really. It's just like one of those things to where the parents love me more than the boyfriend does, and it kind of like makes it to this weird complicated relationship to where, you know, I'm just kind of like, what's happening? You know, like the parents want to hang out with me more, go places with me, and then the son gets jealous, but like, oh, she's replacing me, and I'm like, I'm not replacing you, you know, like this is just happening. I think I have a very like inviting warm personality, and you know, not a lot of people, just really just go heads over heels with me, like, and just want to spend every waking moment with me. But what people don't realize is that I'm actually an introvert. Like, I put like facade on because I used to work customer service, and I have to make people feel like they're like $1,000,000 or feel like, you know, they're like the best thing ever. And being cursed with being an introvert spirit, I low-key don't want to hang out with people or be around people or, you know, anything like that. Like, of course, every now and then, yeah, but most of the time, I want to spend time by myself. And a lot of people take great offense to that or get angry at me if I choose that, you know, whatever. And I'm like, I can't help what I want. What I want is what I want, you know? Like, I get so much energy from like watching anime or like reading or, you know, drawing or watching YouTube, Twitch, you know. And I rather commit with people across the screen rather than in person because I just feel so much better to me, honestly. But anyways, that's it for now. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe because we are growing, and until we hit 200 subscribers, then we will, you know, do something for that. Thanks guys for watching. I'll see you guys there. Bye.